time for our conversation with the world's greatest formulator.
A guest I've heard on the radio, we've all seen on TV.
A leading voice in the world of nutrition.
I want you to meet Shawn Wells.
Sports nutritionist and dietitian Shawn Wells.
Shawn Wells.
Shawn Wells.
Shawn Wells.
His name is Shawn Wells. For years, I struggled with debilitating conditions from autoimmune disease to depression. And now it is my mission to share what I've learned because everyone deserves vibrant health.
That's what led me to become the certified sports nutritionist, the registered dietitian, the biochemist. I went through so much and I wanted to prevent other people from going through all the things that I went through, and to know that a diet can help that profoundly. Keto is ketones, right? So we've heard the ketogenic diet, and the brain actually prefers it. One thing that's important, the scientific method, is doing one thing at a time. If you're doing 100 things at a time, you have no idea what's going on. Biohacking is hacking your biology. Hacking is a shortcut, right? So it's figuring out shortcuts to performance and longevity.